The Ari HaKadosh explains in Kabbalah that there is air that comes out of the nose, comes out of the ears, and comes out of the mouth. This air, actually the word avir in Hebrew, which is air, actually spells the word or, which means light, and the letter yud. Or yud, the light of the yud, which is basically the first letter of God's name, the light of wisdom. He says that really we should have air in our eyes as well. But if we did, with our vision, we would be able to burn anything that we look at. And therefore God made it that air doesn't come out of our eyes. Which means that the power that we have in our eyes is so powerful, it can create or destroy reality. So when you look at something, try to look a little deeper and a little more in a positive light. Your perspective will transform the whole picture.